Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to connect your hosting or email to Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, click on your account name in Brevo, then select Sender Domains and Dedicated IPs. Next, click on the Domains option and add your hosting or domain name. Once you've typed in your domain, click on Add Domain. You'll now see 3 different authentication options appear. You can choose any method you prefer to verify your domain. From this page, copy the TXT record values and paste them into your website's DNS settings in Hostinger. Make sure to select the correct record type, then carefully add the name and value provided by Brevo. After saving those DNS records, head back to Brevo and click on Authenticate this email domain. Once verified successfully, you'll see a confirmation notification. And that's it. Your hosting or email is now connected to Brevo. I hope this tutorial helps you set things up easily. Thanks for watching.